there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the incredible mysteries of the world. Today, we're unraveling a topic that's fascinated mankind for centuries, the mysteries of the human body. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil 10 mind-blowing secrets about our own existence. So, let's get this adventure started. Amazing eyes. Our first stop on this incredible journey into the human body takes us to the windows of our soul, our eyes. Did you know that the human eye can distinguish up to 10 million different colors? That's right, it's like having our very own superpower. Powerful brain. From colorful wonders, we move on to the marvelous machine that powers it all, the human brain. Did you know that our brain generates more electrical impulses in a single day than all the telephones in the world combined? It's an electric symphony inside our heads. Mysteries of dreams. Now, let's explore the surreal landscapes of our dreams. Have you ever wondered why we dream? Scientists believe that dreams help us process emotions, consolidate memories, and even practice skills. So, who knows where our dreams might take us tonight? The fierce immune system. Our next mystery lies beneath the surface, our immune system. Did you know that our immune cells can recognize and destroy over 1 billion different pathogens? It's like having an army within us, constantly protecting us from the invisible foes lurking around. Mysterious metabolism. Let's talk about the enigma that fuels our bodies, metabolism. Did you know that our brain accounts for only 2% of our body weight but consumes a staggering 20% of our energy? It's mind-boggling how this remarkable system keeps us going day after day. Musical ears. Time to tune in to a melodious mystery, our ears. Our ears not only let us perceive sound waves but also help us maintain balance. That's right, they're like built-in gyroscopes. So, next time you're dancing, remember to thank your ears for keeping you on your feet. The hidden power of taste. Prepare your taste buds for our next intriguing exploration, the power of taste. Did you know that our tongue has around 10,000 taste buds? These tiny taste bud warriors give us the ability to distinguish flavors and enjoy the delightful wonders of the culinary world. The miracle of immortality. Moving forward, let's delve into a topic that has fascinated humanity for ages, the secret to immortality. Okay, maybe not literal immortality, but did you know that certain cells in our body, like stem cells, have the potential to regenerate and repair themselves? It's like a superpower hidden within our bodies. The incredible adaptability. Our bodies are truly adaptable machines, capable of adjusting to extreme conditions. Did you know that our skin is the largest organ in our body and can stretch to the size of 20 basketballs? That's pretty mind-blowing. The unbreakable spirit. Lastly, let's explore the enduring human spirit. Our bodies are capable of going beyond physical limitations, pushing boundaries, and achieving the impossible. From climbing mountains to running marathons, the power of the human body is truly awe-inspiring. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the 10 mysteries of the human body revealed. Remember, every inch of your being is filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop being amazed by the incredible vessel that is your own body. Until next time, stay curious.